I've just come from chairing a meeting of our Cabinet Committee, which has received an update from the Environment Agency, from the emergency services, from the local police command centres, about the preparations that are being made for what have been the biggest tidal surges coming down the North Sea and affecting areas in a way that hasn't happened since the 1950s. Our first priority is, of course, to ensure people are safe. And that's why over the course of yesterday evening and right through the night, we've been bringing in the helicopters, the sandbags, the preparations that are absolutely necessary so that people are safe. And our first duty is to make sure that as the waves and the tides have their effect, everybody is safe. It is too early to assess the damage that has been done. It is important, however, to remember that people have been both vigilant and have been incredibly calm in dealing with requests, for example, to move house. During the course of the day, we'll continue to monitor this. I think the important thing, however, is that national government stands ready to help local communities with any difficulties that arise. And I want to thank people for recognising not only that they've got to act on the warnings that have been given, but also the calm and measured way that they've done this, and their willingness to understand that personal safety is incredibly important here and not to take any risks with their own personal safety.